Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Honey. So, today we are going to do a monthly reading for Libra for the month of December 2025. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have for Libra for December. What is the overall energy we have for Libra in December? Overall energy for Libra in December. Okay, please clarify. Eight of Cups. All right. Okay, let's see what are the key challenges we have for Libra. Key challenges or obstacles for Libra in December. Okay, please clarify. Knight of Cups as the key challenges for Libra. Please clarify. Knight of Cups as the key challenge for Libra. Okay. Okay, let's see what are the actions or advice we have for you. What are the actions or advice we have for you, Libra? Okay, please clarify. Seven of Pentacles. Wow, the cards are just popping off. Okay, let's see what are the strength and opportunities we have for Libra in December. Strength and opportunities for Libra in December. Strength and opportunities for Libra in December. Strength and opportunities for Libra in December. Okay, on card flipped. Okay, please clarify. Page of Pentacles as the strength and opportunities. The strength and opportunities. Please clarify. Page of Pentacles as the strength and opportunities for Libra. Page of Pentacles as the strength and opportunities for Libra. Page of Pentacles as the strength and opportunities for Libra. Page of Pentacles. Okay. Okay. So bottom of the deck we have the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so I see that subconsciously or deep down, or you are lately focusing on your financial growth. Okay, you are waiting for some kind of reward, you are waiting for some kind of recognition. आप अपने finances पे बहुत ज़्यादा focused हो, and you are looking for a long term stability. Also at the same time, there is growth coming towards you. There are chances that you are waiting for some kind of promotion, some kind of reward, recognition for the work you have done, and it is on its way. Okay, you will definitely get success and you don't have to give up. Okay, just keep going, keep doing your best, and you will get the rewards of your hard work. Okay, now the overall energy for you, Libra, is, during the month of December, I see you being logical over emotions. Okay, आप अपने emotions पे ज़्यादा focus नहीं करोगे, आप logically चीज़ों को देखोगे. I also see that you are walking away from something जो आपको which is not making you feel satisfied or good enough, or something which you feel that you have achieved. Okay, उस तरह का you are not having that peace, you are not having that satisfaction from whatever you have achieved. It can be in your relations, it can be in your workplace, it can be anything. Basically there is this energy of walking away from something after logical thinking. Okay, आप emotions को overpower नहीं होने दे रहे हो. जो भी आपका confusion है, आप उसको क्लियर करके आप बहुत लॉजिकली चीज़ों को देख के, समझ के, सोच समझ के आप डिसीजन लेके, फोर साइटेडनेस रख के कि मेरा ये गोल है और मुझे इस तरह से इसको अचीव करना है. जो भी चैलेंजेस है, आई एम रेडी टू टेक दैट, एंड आई एम रेडी टू फेस द चैलेंजेस, एंड आई एम रेडी टू मूव ऑन और मूव टूवर्ड्स माई गोल. ओके, उस तरह की एनर्जी है. और आप किसी चीज़ को पीछे छोड़ रहे हो जो आपको, which is not serving you anymore, or where there is no growth anymore. You are leaving something behind. Now for some of you it can be leaving a job and moving, कोई नया जॉब स्टार्ट करना है, या फिर आप अपना खुद का ही कुछ स्टार्ट करना चाह रहे हो. उस तरह की भी एनर्जी है. सो यू आर बीइंग लॉजिकल over emotions, you are being foresighted, you are very clear in your communication also. I see आपको बहुत creative ideas भी आ सकते हैं, आप बहुत logically चीज़ों को देखोगे, आप बहुत clear अपने communication में भी आप बहुत clear हो. Okay, so which is a very good thing. but at the same time try to keep that in mind कि you have to be clear but not rude in your communication. Okay, थोड़ा सा आपको पोलाइटली भी कम्युनिकेट करने की ज़रूरत है इंस्टेड ऑफ बीइंग ब्लंट. ओके, ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम आई सी देयर इज़ अ नीड टू सेट बाउंड्रीज. अगर आपको बाउंड्री सेट करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है तो फिर इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर पीपल टू टेक यू सीरियसली. तो जहाँ पे भी ज़रूरत है आप अपने लिए अपने वर्क प्लेस पे, अपने रिलेशन में, वेर एवर इट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड, try to set healthy boundaries. Okay, it will make your journey much easy. Okay, now coming to the key challenges or obstacles, I see that आप आगे बढ़ना चाहते हो, but there are situations where there may be some situations जहाँ पे people may try to demotivate you, they may try to pull you down, or they may try to somewhere stop you from moving on or moving towards your goal. Okay, उस तरह की energies also I am seeing. हो सकता है कुछ कहीं पर इमोशंस में हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जस्ट टेकिंग एन एग्जाम्पल कि आप अगर आप अपने होम टाउन को छोड़ के किसी और प्लेस में शिफ्ट होने का ट्राई कर रहे हो, सो देयर कैन बी सम इमोशनल blockages, मे बी डिफिकल्ट. आप फर्स्ट टाइम हो सकता है आप अपने फैमिली से दूर जा रहे हो, सो इट मे बी अ बिट इमोशनली एट एन इमोशनल लेवल थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट, थोड़ा सा चैलेंजिंग हो सकता है. दिस वाज जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल. इस तरह की सिचुएशन आ सकती है कि जहाँ पे आप ना स्टेप लेना चाहते हो, बट फॉर सम और द अदर रीजन यू आर जस्ट होल्डिंग ऑन. ओके, कि थोड़ा सा और वेट कर सकते हैं, तो लेट्स वेट, लेट्स सी इफ आई शुड एक्चुअली डू दिस और नॉट. उस तरह की एनर्जी है, बिकॉज यू आर रेडी टू मूव ऑन, यू आर रेडी टू टेक दैट नेक्स्ट स्टेप, बट यू आर एनालाइजिंग एंड यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग थिंग्स अ लॉट. तो आपके पास प्लान है, आपके पास यू हैव द कंप्लीट स्ट्रैटेजी कि आपको कैसे आगे बढ़ना है, बट कुछ ना कुछ आपको रोक रहा है. ओके, उस तरह की एनर्जी है. एंड ऑल्सो आई सी दैट you don't have to get into unnecessary conflicts or arguments. Okay, आपको बहुत carefully अपनी एनर्जी यूज करना है. आपको पीपल की लोगों की एनर्जी समझने की जरूरत है कि इज इट नेसेसरी ड्रामा आई एम बीइंग पुल्ड टू, और does this actually need my attention or not. Okay, उस तरह की एनर्जी है, because it's like अननेसेसरी. अगर आप अपनी एनर्जी अननेसेसरी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स और ड्रामा में वेस्ट करोगे ना, तो जहाँ पे एक्चुअली आपको फोकस करने की जरूरत है आपका ध्यान वहाँ से हट जाएगा, एंड देन यू विल बी अगेन वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, एफर्ट्स एंड एनर्जी into things which are not really required. Okay, to be taken care of. Okay, तो बेसिकली उस तरह का चैलेंज मुझे दिख रहा है कि हो सकता है ऑफिस में कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशंस आ जाए जहाँ पे आपको पीपल आर ट्राइंग टू पुल यू डाउन, एंड देन यू आर वेस्टिंग योर एनर्जी, माइंड, एफर्ट्स इन दैट particular, you are wasting your energy in that particular thing or that particular issue which is of not use. Okay, which is of no use or it's not really important. Okay, उस तरह की energy. So just try to keep yourself away from unnecessary conflicts and dramas, and don't take too much time. If you are already aware, you already have the proper plan. If you already have the proper plan, तो आपको ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू नीड टू टेक एक्शन. ओके, एक्शन लेने की ज़रूरत है. नाउ कमिंग टू द एक्शंस और एडवाइस वी हैव इज as I said, आप अपने ना रिवॉर्ड्स का वेट कर रहे हो. द बॉटम ऑफ द डेक एनर्जी वाज दिस, राइट? सो यू आर वेटिंग फॉर योर रिवॉर्ड्स. ओके, एंड इट माइट टेक सम टाइम, and you are not you are advised not to give up. Okay, rather you are advised to focus on work or use your resources to the best, at the best possible way, so that you can achieve what you are planning to achieve. Okay, आपके rewards आपको मिलेंगे. Maybe you are not able to see the rewards right now in front of you, it is taking some time, but you will definitely get it. Okay, but that doesn't mean that you need to stop. Okay, you don't have to stop your work, you have to use your resources, make the best use of it, and keep working towards your goal. Your rewards are all out there, but I think you are seeing only 10% which is in front of you. You are not able to see the 90% which is already there. Okay, it's about to be revealed to you, it's about to be given to you, but if you will give up on with this energy of waiting, I will start work only after I get the rewards, it may not be so beneficial for you in the long run. Okay, so just try to use your resources, work towards your goal, and you will definitely get the rewards, you will definitely get the success. People look towards you, or people look at you with this energy, that someone who can take that lead, someone who is, passionate, someone who is, someone who is, how do you say, with that leadership authority, this person will take that lead, and this person is capable enough of taking that leadership role, and working towards it. Maybe in your relationships, in your relation also, in your family, in your relation, you are someone who is, energetic, who knows how to do things properly, how to take that lead, how to, solve on any issues, how to create a balance, or how to make the best use of resources, something like that. So people kind of, you are having that magnetic, or that charismatic personality, that people look towards you for some kind of guidance, inspiration, or motivation also. Okay, for some of you it can be that also. So just don't give up, try to focus on working on things which really matters to you, and you will get the reward. Okay, now the strength and opportunities for you, I see, are you are focusing on your finances and something is about to be revealed to you. Okay, now maybe आपका कोई पुराना इन्वेस्टमेंट है जो आप करके भूल गए हो, और उसका रिवॉर्ड्स आपको मिल सकता है, वो भी आई एम सीइंग. आई ऑल्सो सी दैट इन योर रिलेशन ऑल्सो देयर कैन बी सम काइंड ऑफ थिंग विच कैन बी रिवील्ड टू यू. थोड़ा सा आपके लिए, सॉरी, हो सकता है आपको you might go through some kind of mood swings, not able to think clearly or decide clearly because of the things which are being revealed to you. थोड़ा सा emotionally आप imbalance हो सकता है, आप कभी high feel करो, कभी low feel करो, उस तरह की energy है. It can be because of your finances also, because you may not be able to decide how do you need to focus on making your finances better. It can be related to an investment, it can be for the rewards, that you are not getting the rewards as by the timeline you are expecting the rewards. Okay, us tarah ka energy bhi hai. So because of that there can be some kind of mood swings, and you might be एज आई सेड, आपको पेशेंट, आपको इस एनर्जी में नहीं जाना है कि आई विल नॉट टेक द एक्शन अंटिल आई गेट द रिवॉर्ड. उस तरह की एनर्जी में आपको नहीं जाना है. रैदर यू हैव टू कीप गोइंग and focus towards your investment. Whatever you will be, you have achieved till now, it is from your hard work, and you are focused on making it much better, which is a good thing. I also see that you are somewhere trying to be more in discipline when it comes to your finances. Okay, so if you are not already in discipline, then try to get in discipline, try to keep in mind about your savings, investments, and that plan, कि आपको कितना आप अर्न करते हो, आप कितना स्पेंड कर रहे हो, आप कितना इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, कितना आप कहाँ सेव कर रहे हो. उस तरह के आपको फाइनेंशियल डिसिप्लिन में आने की ज़रूरत है. देयर इज़ डेफिनेटली ग्रोथ कमिंग इन, बट आपको थोड़ा सा केयरफुल रहना है अपने फाइनेंसेस के लिए. इट इज़ नॉट समथिंग टू बी वरीड अबाउट, इट्स जस्ट दैट यू नीड टू बी लिटिल डिसिप्लिन सो दैट यू कैन मेक द बेस्ट ऑफ योर hard earned money. Okay, so that's the energy for you, Libra, for the month of December 2025. Please claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.